And today we're going to be checking out the TOZO's Crystal Pods, which are basically their earbuds, but the case and the earpods themselves are clear. How cool is that? So what we're going to do is we're going to point the camera down, take a closer look at what all you get, and then I'm going to stick them in my ears and see how they sound so I can tell you whether you're going to get those basses, those mids, and those highs. So let's go ahead and point the camera down. Alright, so here they are right here. They look very nice indeed, according to the box, but let's open them up and see what we're going to get. Your user manual is right on top, and here are a variety of different cushions for your ears, the little padding that goes on the earbuds. Different ears, different sizes. You will get a USB to USB Type-C charge cord, and then you have the pods themselves. And check this out. Please charge the case before using. Alright, let's take this sticker off. Nice residue-free sticker. You can see the logo is here on the back. It's got graphite under the clear, which is really cool. When you open them up, you can see that's where the earbuds are right there. And when you remove them out, you can actually see the insides of the earbuds. Very, very cool indeed. And this is what the outside is going to look like. I must say, they look very nice. They feel very nice in hand. They don't feel cheap. But, as I say, the proof is in the sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera back up and we're going to actually test them out and see what they sound like. Okay, I have them in my ears. We're going to go through some music. I can't share the music with you, unfortunately, because of copyright reasons. But just give me a moment. I'm going to listen to a few different types of songs and then I'll let you know what I think. And in case you were wondering, this is what they look like in the ear. They fit very nicely. They fit very snugly. I can shake my head like crazy, and they're not going to fall out. They're in there very well. Let's get to the music. And I must say, I am quite impressed with these earbuds, especially at the price that you get them for. They do have the basses, they do have the mids, they do have the highs. Now the only thing is, I did have to turn them up higher than like some other earbuds. They're still plenty loud enough, so that's not really a problem. It's just one notable difference, but it's a very minor difference. If you were in a noisy environment, you're not going to have a problem hearing these, I can guarantee that. And I was actually shocked at the amount of bass that these things gave me for being a little earbud in this price point. But there's more I want to show you, so let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera back down because I want to go over the app and some more details. Alright, to go over some of the functions on the app right here, I have it pulled up real quick, and I'm going to share this on my screen, but you can see that both of the earbuds are charged to 100%, and you can see that they're just both kind of floating there in the air, showing you that that's the actual earbuds that you have, and it has a current EQ standard. And what that means is you can actually set your own EQs. You have bass plus, you have bass minus, and it sends the setting. That's what that little icon is. You have classical, and I don't have to click all these. I'm going to put it back on standard. And what's crazy is the bass sounded really good on these, and I was just in standard. But you have deep, dance, hip hop, jazz, original, Latin, symphony, pop, rock, vocal, treble, plus, treble minus, electronic, blues, piano, keyboard, trumpet, heavy metal, anime, slow rock, podcast, relaxing, awake, quiet, crazy, folk, R&B, country. Tons of EQs that are already set up for you, which is very, very cool indeed. And guess what? You can also set up your own EQ as well and customize them, which is very cool. We're going to go back. Now what you also have is you have an AI setting, and what this gives you is you get it for a limited time free, but it's going to give you like different types of music. It gives you mutual translation, it gives you AI chat, you can record meetings, all these different options and different types of music that come with the AI chat and the AI mode, which is really cool. You can go under community, and this is where you can talk with other TOZO's owners. You can go to products where you can see other products that they offer. You can go to My TOZO's and you can keep track of your orders and your products here as well. And you can even like other people's posts and make your own post, almost like their own personal Facebook. So if you're wondering about these, they do have noise canceling, up to a 38 dB cancellation, which is quite a lot. They do have 4 microphones for calls and noise canceling. They have 10mm drivers, and they use Orange X Acoustic 2.0 sound technology that delivers powerful bass. I can vouch for that. You're going to get 35 hours of playtime, and they're fast charging. And you will get 6 hours of playtime per charge on the buds. So when they say that you get 35 hours, that's if you'll get 35 hours out of the case and 6 hours at a time. So every 6 hours you will have to recharge them, or after each use you just put them back in the case and you'll get 36 hours of use. They are IPX5 waterproof, and they do use Bluetooth 5.4 technology. Now to kind of wrap this up, do they work? Yes, they work very well. Do they look cool? They look very cool. Am I impressed with these, especially for the price? Yes, I am. They do quite an amazing job, and you can get them at a very reasonable price. And overall, they do the job, and they do the job well. They're packed with technology, and they sound great. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.